Hey there, cosmopolitan minds. Today we are delving into the global gossip game, the art of PR. But not your run of the mill publicity stunt. We're talking about the high rolling world of multilingual PR writing and distribution services. Yeah, it's a mouthful, but just like your morning latte order at the corner cafe with the over caffeinated barista. So, what's the deal with PR writing versus article writing? Well, it's like the differences between a Broadway show and a local community theater production. PR is the Broadway extravaganza, all glitter and glamour, aiming to make you feel something. Articles, on the other hand, are more like the indie films of the writing world, informing and entertaining without that jazz hands. And now, let's sprinkle some linguistic spice into the mix. Multilingual PR is like ordering takeout in the city. You've got to speak the language, man, literally. Imagine reaching your audience not just in English but in Mandarin, French, Spanish, Swahili, depending on the block you're targeting. It's like having your press release converse with the diversity escape. Enter the saviors of the linguistic universe. Multilingual PR writing and distribution service I'm providing like the language avengers, saving your brand from getting lost in translation. We've got the native speakers here, including yours truly, the cultural gurus, my friend, and a distribution game strong enough to make even the subway system jealous. Why should you care, you ask? Well, because the businesses that jump on this linguistic roller coaster are the ones expanding their empires. We're talking increased brand love, engagement that rivals a heated debate over bagels and a boost to financial skyline. So whether you're a Wall Street giant or a startup hustling in Brooklyn, multilingual PR is your golden ticket. Because in the city that never sleeps, your brand can't afford to be caught napping, my friend. That's a wrap, marketeers and business ones. Stay tuned for more linguistic escapades. Until next time, stay unapologetically global. Maria Johnsen is signing out.